YouTube, what's up? JP here. A little different for you guys today. So, I talked about in my last C10 video about getting a head-mounted camera that's kind of on a frame. So, it is the Ordro EP8. It does 4K at 60 frames per second. So, we're going to kind of check this thing out together. We want to start doing some more point of view stuff for you guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. Comes in a nice box. It's the headband unit here. It is adjustable. Got little ratcheting teeth on both sides, so that's nice. Here's the camera unit. So all your controller buttons here. Power, snap a photo, video, your micro SD card, looks like it goes right in here, and your USB charging port, and I guess you can even run it HDMI right there, so for high def stuff, so that's pretty good. This was turned it on. This is $279 on Amazon. It got pretty good reviews. So it does come with a remote control, so you don't have to feel around for it. Little small keychain remote control here. So your micro SD card reader, so when you move it over to your computer, you just put the chip in there, plug this into your computer. Flashing green, I believe, means it's ready to go. We're gonna just power this back down for now. Here is your charging cable or your transfer cable to, if you don't want to take the micro SD card out every time. Even comes with a 64 gig memory card. This is kind of a cool feature. So it does come with a watch that you can wear. So you take the keychain off and you can actually wear your remote control. So it's kind of a nice feature there. It looks pretty simple. Yeah. Comes with a little bag. Carry it all in. And this is our mounting system for the headpiece and our charger and the lens cleaner. All this for $279. This is their 8th model now, so they've been making these a while. So, and they seem to sell pretty well. And you know, for the price compared to buying a GoPro, even the older GoPros, I think I paid like $399 for my GoPro 8s last year, and they're on like 12 now. So this is a good price. It gives you that point of view a little bit better. It's not as bulky as trying to wear a GoPro. That's my only complaint. I love my GoPros, but definitely not fun to wear. Okay, so we got, let's see. This looks like the rubber piece is gonna go So this is threaded right here. Hang on to it, but this looks like a tool. So this will tighten the thread 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that, and we will tighten it on. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on now. I know for a fact this gives you a soft touch kind of earpiece speaker basically. So that's gonna go on the inside that touches you. Well, we're gonna take that off first. Here you go. So that's gonna go like so. Okay. You grab your little tool. Looks like and kind of snug it so you can move it, but it doesn't come loose. Put that little speaker cover back on. There you guys have it. So I can extend these out a little bit. That way, when we're doing these videos for you guys, we have a true point of view, and it'll just see what I see at eye level, basically. There we go. So, kind of tilt that up. So what I'll do for you guys is I'll go ahead and I'm not on my GoPro right now, I'm on my iPhone at 4K 60 frames per second, so we can kind of see a comparison between how this records and obviously how the video records. So we got it all set up, so I'll go ahead and do a short video. And well, I'm not sure on the settings on the camera if they're just preset to 4K 60 frames or I have to change it. So the battery needs to be charged on this thing. So, but this is, there's my cat nugget. This is kind of the overall look and feel. It doesn't bother me wearing it, which is nice. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.